Alright, now guys, in this particular video we're gonna be looking at how to use Google Translate to search properly on 1688 website. So you're gonna open your Google Chrome, and when you open it, on your search bar you will type www.1688.com, and then click on search. And when you click on search, this particular page will be open. So when this box pops up, when it's open, just click on this Chinese character and cancel it. So when you are now in this particular home page of 1688 website, what will you do? The first thing to do is to click on this hamburger icon, and when you click on that hamburger icon, this particular page will be open. Now when this page open, you will click on translate, because this particular website is arranged with Chinese character. So for you to understand all the information on this particular website, you have to click on translate for this particular website to be translated from Chinese to English. So you click on translate. So after that, guys, you will have to click on search bar. You click on that search bar, and when you click on that search bar, you'll be greeted with this particular page. So this page is where our previous search are saved. So maybe you want to use the keyword which you have used to search before. You can come over this particular page and pick it and use it to search whatever you want to search. So in this page right now, when you open it, you're gonna put in the keyword which you want to use to search on this particular 1688 website. So you can use Chinese character, that is Chinese keyword, and you can also use English to search on this particular website, and you can also use an image to search also through this camera icon. So these are the three methods which you can use to search properly on 1688 website. You can use Chinese keyword, which is the best option, because if you use Chinese keyword, this website will automatically give you 2000 search result, which is the best result which you have to get on each of your searching. But when you use English language, it will not give you the total search which you need on this 1688 website. And you can also use picture or image of the item which you want to search and select the camera icon, and it will take you to your gallery where you will select the particular image which you want to search for. So before you can put in the camera keyword, the Chinese keyword which you want to search for, you will have to open this Google Translate which you have set up to be on your screen. So you will input your keyword, so you tap on that enter text and input the name of the item. Ladies bag. So you click on this arrow, you click on it. So this is just the translation of the keyword which you have put in there. So you click on this button to copy it. So when you copy it, you tap on the screen for this particular box to disappear. So in this page right now, you will input the keyword which you have copied. Just long press and paste and click on your search button. As you can see, this is how you can actually search using the Chinese keyword. So